tell us what is a good ACOS?
So a good ACOS is relative to where you are in your journey. So you can't say something is good or bad because it depends on a few different things. So first of all, how do you calculate your ACOS? Your ACOS is your PPC spend divided by your PPC sales. What is your break-even ACOS? Your break-even ACOS equals your profit margin. So if your product costs $5, if the Amazon fees are $5, which means your product total cost is $10, and you're selling it on Amazon for $20, which means your profit is $10, 10 divided by 20 is 50%. 50% is your profit margin, which also means it's your break-even ACOS. It's your break-even ACOS because if your ACOS equals 50%, you will spend all of your profit on PPC. If your ACOS exceeds 50%, it means you're spending more, you're losing money. You're spending more money than your profit on PPC. And if your ACOS is less than that break-even ACOS, you're profiting. Even if you're profiting 1%, it's still profit. So what is a good ACOS? When you first start out, you obviously don't expect yourself to have a profitable ACOS because it doesn't make any sense. You're still in the launching phase. You need to be aggressive. You need to spend money to rank and gather data and all this stuff. So it's an investment. I start off with my target ACOS being 100%. Anything over 100 is still a little bit excessively too unprofitable. Anything lower than 100% is fine in the first 2 months. Now, from month 3 to month 6, I dropped that down to 75%. So again, technically on paper, I'm losing money on PPC, but because of the organic and everything, overall, you're at least making a little bit of profit. And again, this is just to keep boosting my product up. Now, once I'm at 6 months, from 6 to 9 months, or 6 to 10 months, I'll drop that number down to 50%, which is my break-even ACOS. So initially I'm at 2 times my break-even ACOS, then I'm at 1.5 times my break-even ACOS. Now at month 6 to 10, I'm at my break-even ACOS. And that's my goal. So anything over my break-even ACOS, I'm lowering the bids, and anything below, I'm keeping it the same or increasing the bids a little bit to kind of get to that number. My goal is to get to that break-even ACOS because I believe that, hey, if I break even on my PPC, then overall I should be very profitable. I'll be pushing it to the max basically in terms of profitability. And then once you're month 11 and moving forward, I like to drop that down to 60% of the break-even ACOS. So 60% of that 50%, which is 30%. So I would like that my target ACOS is 30%. Anything over 30%, I like to lower the bids a little bit. Anything below, I'm good and I'm happy. And that just pushes me more and more to become more profitable and optimize everything better. Now, here's the thing. I'm always tracking my total ACOS. If I notice that when I go from 50% as a goal to 30%, my total ACOS is going up, or my overall sales, and I obviously tracking my profit per day. So if I notice that my profit per day starts going down, then I know, hey, let's go back up to that 50%. But if not, if it's still becoming more profitable, at the end of the day, I care about the dollar amount that goes into my bank account. I don't care if my ACOS is 150% or whatever. I care about how much dollars in my P&L, profit and loss statement. It says at the bottom, this is how much you made per month. If my profit is increasing, I'm on the right track. If it's decreasing, I need to figure something out. I don't care about having a beautiful ACOS and making $10 a month in profits.
Love that. Yes, that's very good.